Google is clamping down even more on ad blockers. Google will start diminishing the user experience of YouTube for those who choose to continue using YouTube with an ad blocker, so here is what you can expect to see. Buffering. Deliberate buffering, might I add. Google will purposely slow down YouTube videos if they find you to be using an ad blocker on their site, regardless of the web browser you use. This does not just affect Firefox, it will affect everything and anything, so you should be prepared to deal with constant or excessive buffering if you're using an ad blocker. With this, you can also expect certain ad blockers to suddenly stop working, as Google is blocking popular ones such as uBlock Origin, AdBlock Plus, etc. So depending on what you're using, you may still see ads on the YouTube site, even if your current ad blocker is enabled. They really don't want you using an ad blocker. YouTube's mobile site is not affected by this, as you cannot use an ad blocker directly within the YouTube app, although several methods exist to bypass the ads on mobile devices, and one of the simplest is to install the Brave browser and use that. Brave still seems to block ads on the YouTube site, although it's likely that Google will also block their ad blocker at some point in the future, so we will either need to find an ad blocker that works, or use alternative bypass methods to get past the ad blocker restrictions, although some of these alternative methods can be tricky and daunting, and probably should not be done by the less tech-savvy people. But if you're prepared to get your hands dirty with some code, then you can find out how to block ads on YouTube with a simple script, or you can use an extension such as TamperMonkey, I think that's the name of it, and this allows you to bypass the ad block restrictions that Google have in place. So if all else fails, this is probably worth a try. Although you would also need to have coding skills, and so if you lack coding skills, this method probably is not the one for you. So, is your ad blocker working fine? Are you having random or constant slowdowns on YouTube? Let us all know down in the comments section below. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you next video.